Hello friends, welcome back again to our channel Enhance Your Skills. My name is Vikram and I am your online tutor. This video is useful to those who need to highlight their mouse pointer during screen recording so that whenever you are explaining something, your cursor should be highlighted so that it is visible to viewer. So let's go to the desktop screen first. So here in start option, just click mouse settings. After clicking on the mouse setting, this window will pop up and we need to go to here additional mouse options. After clicking this, we have to go to the pointers. Under pointers, you will see there are some options like normal icon, which is currently it is selected. Otherwise we have help select, working in backgrounds, like if there is we have to wait somewhere, so this icon will appear. So there are multiple options available. You can change the pointer design accordingly. Okay, so what I will do is, like, I want to increase the size of my pointer, so I'll go here. So see, normal, I will select here, apply. See, now the color is changed to black. But now the issue is, like, we need to highlight this pointer as red or anything else color we want. So what I will do is now to highlight my cursor, I'll have to open one site. It is called RW Designers. Here you will find multiple colors regarding the setting of your cursor. So if you go down, so we have option of red, blue, green, yellow, purple, orange, yellow. So also the size of the file is also very low, 6.2 KB. So what I'll do is I just download this. It's absolutely free. So after downloading it, we need to extract this into a normal file. Okay, so I just extract into the same folder. So my cursor are already downloaded now under downloads. So now what I'll do is I'll go again to search option, click on mouse settings, additional mouse options, I have to click again. So under this properties, we have to go to pointers. Like, I want to select my current pointer as a color one. Okay, so what I will do is I will go to click on the browse. It will take me to the downloaded options where my files are saved. Now I want this color as red, so I'll click this. So if you see the preview is coming here, I'll click open here and I will click on apply. Now you see we can also change the color of this, like if you want in orange color, we can change the color also, and then I will click apply again, so the color changes again. Okay, so this is the one option we can highlight our cursor. But now if I want to get it normal, like I don't want this color, so I will go again to mouse settings. Okay, and then I will click on additional mouse options. See, my cursor is currently highlighted, so wherever I am going, it is showing that wherever I am going, so it's currently highlighted. So what I'll do is I'll click on the schemes. I'll click here Windows default system scheme. Okay, I will click here, it's normal. Okay, so it's without color. I'll click apply. So now you can see that the color has gone. Okay, thanks, that's all in this video. So do provide us your feedback if you like this video helpful. Let's meet you in our next video. Till then, enhance your skills by keep learning. Bye bye.